So how long does it take water to freeze into ice? Well, the average size ice cube in an ice cube tray can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to freeze solid. But today, I'm going to show you how to make instant ice. So the materials we're going to use today are salt. This is just regular table salt. A bottle of water, purified water is what I'm using today. Paper towels. You'll need water. You can get water just right out of your tap. I'm not by a sink, so I'm using a bowl of water. Then we'll need a cup with some ice cubes for later. I'm working off of a tray because this can be a little messy, but you could do it right on your counter. So the first thing to do is get some paper towel. And you're gonna get it wet. And you want it to be pretty wet, actually. So I'm soaking it all the way. I'll squeeze a little bit out so it's not completely drippy, but it's still pretty wet. And carefully, now that it's all wet, flatten it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then get your salt, generously sprinkle salt all over the paper towel. Next, we roll up our water bottle in the paper towel. I'm gonna put a rubber band to just hold it on there. This is gonna get put in your freezer for about an hour. Leave it on its side while it's in there. So we're gonna get our water bottle out of the freezer. It was in there for about an hour. So the trick to getting this experiment to work is having your water very, very cold, but not quite frozen yet. So when water gets colder, the molecules start to spread out, they'll line up, and they'll start to freeze, and they stick together. So you start getting those ice crystals that eventually, as they stick together more and more, form that solid piece of ice. So when you're pouring this cold but not quite frozen water together, you're quickening the pace that those ice crystals stick together. And so that's how they're instantly forming that pile of ice on top of each other. So why the salt-wrapped paper towel though? Will it work without it? Well, that's for you to find out when you try it home. See if there's any difference between using the paper towel or not. Adding salt to water actually makes it freeze to a lower temperature. So when you freeze an ice cube, when we freeze just table water, fresh water, it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. But salt water can freeze to a temperature as low as negative 18 degrees. So when we make this wet saltwater wrap for the bottle and it starts to freeze in the freezer, it's actually like wrapping it in the opposite of a coat. You're giving it an extra cold layer that helps it freeze extra fast. But try it both ways and see what happens for you. Gather these materials at home and see if you too can wow your friends and family by making instant ice.